Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to clear the concept of these two methods that provide dot with set. Okay, so the first method is difference and the second is contains all. Okay, so now I just write here a main function. Okay, so now I just take a set of integers. Okay, so I just write here num1 for the first set variable. Okay, and I write here 1 2 3, and now I take another, and here you can see I change the variable name num2 and I store 1 2 3 5 here. Okay, so now I just write here num1 dot difference. Okay, so now it take a parameter of a set. Here you can see is an object and it returns a set. Okay, this difference. Okay, so what will we do? This difference. Okay, num1, these all values check with here num2. Okay, if there is some difference, so it will be show this as a set. Okay, if I write here num2 and it returns set, so now I want to store it in integer of set, and I just write here value. Okay, so now I just want to print value. Here you can see what will be do this. Okay, so num1, all these element will be check with this num2. Okay, so here you can see 1 2 3 is already in num1, and here you can see the num2 is also 1 2 3, so it will be returns empty because there is no difference. Okay, here you can see it returns empty because these all elements are available here. Okay, if I write here num2 and now I just provide set num1. Okay, so it will be return this 4 5 because this 4 5 is not exist in this another iterable. Here you can see if I print. Okay, here you can see 4 5 only print because this 4 5 is not exist in another iterable. Okay, so this is the first method, and the second method is contains all. Okay, so I want to remove this and I write here contains all. Okay, so it returns boolean. Okay, so here now you can see here this return all take take a iterable and returns boolean. Okay, if here you can see num1 num2 is these all element will be checked with num1. Okay, if these num2 elements that are exist here and these all element is available in this iterable, so it returns true. Okay, it returns true. So now the situation is will be false because these all elements is now available here. Okay, sorry, I think it returns true if I print. Okay, print value. So now I just want to show you true because all these 1 2 3 element are available here. Okay, if I write here num1, okay, and here is num2, so these all element is available here, but 4 5 is not exist here, so it returns false. Here you can see false is it returns false. Okay, so how this contains all working, it checks this num1 iterable with this num2. Okay, so if these all num1 elements are contains here, okay, so it contains but here you can see the 4 5 is not here available. If I write here 4 and 5, so now it returns true because the set is contains the first set is contains those elements that is already exist in num2. So I hope you will be understand this concept of difference and contains method. Okay, so for now it's enough and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.